Hi everyone, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and I believe we have just finished the excavation for our um, remodeling project. Look at what I'm talking about. We started out with an underpinning project to hold up the west end of the house, and we've got some more underpinning to do over there where that nail pouch is hanging on the wall. We've gotten the all the footings for the basement done, and we just finished digging the garage. The garage sits in that corner over there where that backhoe is. We've been doing these in kind of stages, so we didn't really have an excavation contractor here, and we undertook that job ourselves. So the boys are putting in two number 4 re-rod in all the footings, and the walls we'll be using number 4 bars in there also, but we have to put rods in the footings sticking up into the walls, so we'll be putting more of those in. I believe they're 24 inches on center. Over here's our trusty laser. God, those things are so much nicer than the old optical ones we used to use. This is what I talked about, the underpinning work that we have to do. It's basically going to pour a concrete wall up against the house like we did over there. And we have to do that because we have dug down below the footings here. I don't think we've gotten below the footings over on this side, but I'll have to check. So anyway, that's where we're at after 3 weeks. I believe we started 3 weeks ago tomorrow. And it hasn't rained at all during that whole time, which is a contractor's dream as far as doing foundation work is concerned, because usually it rains right after I dig a hole, and we're all dry here, so this is great. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Bye.